channel Techno Solutions, where we learn electronics, Arduino and real-world project step by step. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important actuators used in electronics and robotics, which is servo motor. And the activity name is angular position control of servo motor. Components required for the activity are Arduino Uno, servo motor SG19, some jumper wires. Now let's make the connections. The yellow wire is connected to signal pin of Arduino, pin number 9. The red wire is connected to 5 volt of Arduino and the brown wire is connected to ground. Now we will upload code for this. So first we will include the servo library, which is #include servo.h. Select the port and board and then upload the code. After uploading the code, we will see that how the servo motor rotates between the angle 0 to 180 degree. As you can see, the servo motor is rotating to exact positions and returning smoothly. This is how precise motion control is achieved using Arduino and servo motors. So from this activity, we will learn that what a servo motor is and how it works and how to control angles using code. This concept is extremely important in robotics and automation. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to Techno Solutions for more Arduino robotics and IoT tutorials.